The next one I want to show you is Nearpod.com. Now, I think Nearpod is an amazing website. Yes, there is a premium version, as usual with these websites, but I am only looking at the free things because, let's be honest, we all like free things. So thank you to Nearpod for providing some of this available to us. Now, the way that this works is really straightforward. There's so much in Nearpod you can do. You can make presentations interactive. You can have pupils work through them at their own pace. But I'm just going to look at the post-it note function, the collaborate board function, which I personally think is absolutely amazing. So as a teacher, you do need to register for it. However, pupils do not, and that is, again, is another massive advantage. So I'm going to log in. So I'm going to click log in. I've pre-registered with Nearpod, so I don't have to take you through that process, and I'm going to log in with Office 365. That will pull my details across to it, and there I am logged in. I'm going to go up here to Quick Launch. Now, as I say, you could spend hours looking at Nearpod. There's a lot you can do with it, but I'm looking at straightforward things today. So I click on Quick Launch, and I'm going to go to Collaborate Board. So that's Quick Launch and Collaborate Board. And here I'm going to put a question in of what I want. So tell me something, can't spell, you did at the weekend. And then click Quick Launch. And as if by magic, it's now generating for me a code. Now, I'm not interested in that A24SH thing because that just gets complicated for pupils. So I'm going to click on this button that says link. Okay, I'm clicking on link, and that's link, and then it's copy, and then it's copied. And that's now generated a link. So in Teams, I'm in my conversation view, and I'm pasting in the link. And there it is for the pupils, and it's as simple as that. The pupils can click on that, and that will take them directly to that section. And there you go, it's just loading up as a pupil view there. So it asked me for my name as a pupil, so I'm Cody, I'm joining the lesson, and my Collaborate board is waiting for teacher input, which basically means there's something as a teacher I haven't yet done. And what I haven't done is to say that pupils can directly type in. I can actually approve comments if I wanted to. I'm not interested because I trust my class. And suddenly, there we are. There's my question. What did I do at the weekend? I had a pizza. So that is what Cody has done. And there it is. It's up on the screen. Now, I'm Cody. I cannot see the person who's typed that in. However, as the teacher, there's teacher view, and you can see it was Cody. So you can be referencing, and as you go, and it fills up the whole screen with post-it notes. Really straightforward. Nearpod.com, sign up, go to Quick Launch, and then click on Collaborate Board.